Hi Diamond, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to be getting back to the 12 days of Christmas giveaway. It's going to be a mystery giveaway, so this is really exciting for me because I've been loving having so much fun and interacting with you guys. It's so amazing seeing all your comments, and I'm just so happy and blessed to have you guys in my life. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the winner for the last giveaway, and here you are. Thank you so much for subscribing and commenting and just following all the rules of the giveaway. I really appreciate that, and I really appreciate you still very much. Okay guys, so these giveaways are not going to end. We're still going from now all the way until Christmas Day, so don't worry if you didn't win. Just make sure to enter in today's giveaway, and you might get a chance to win. I'm so excited for you. Okay, so we're just gonna hop right into the video, so don't forget to comment down below, subscribe, and follow all the rules of the giveaway. Make sure you're hitting your bell notification too as well, so you know when I upload. Okay guys,
rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. This will go home where you can see.
Hey Diamond, so we're gonna go ahead and get into some cleaning motivation for today's video, which I'm super excited about because my precious baby boy decided to help me with his beautiful fingerprints of gel polish all over my desk. And also I can't blame him fully because I've done a lot of this mess myself, to be honest. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my Windex, and I'm gonna go also and take some rubbing alcohol. I'm actually putting this into a spray bottle right here. This is just the rubbing alcohol alone in this. It's just making it a lot easier for me to apply on the surface than from the bottle that it was in, so that's why I ended up doing this. And then I'm just going to show you guys a real nice close-up of what it's looking like and the damage that we have done. So I'm just taking my Windex and I'm spraying that all over the surface of my Alex drawers, and I'm just going to go ahead and grab a piece of paper towel and just gently wipe away any dust and debris. There's no rhyme or reason to this. I'm not saturating it too much, but I just want to get enough on there just to make sure that it's coated, so I can just wipe off whatever I need to. So since I'm already in the process of wiping these down, I just want to open the drawers a little and make sure to wipe on the inner side of the front of the drawer, just because I do open them quite often, and I just want to make sure that any dirt or germs from my fingers are just being wiped away as well. And it's just saving me some time from doing it later, since might as well do it right now. Okay. You guys can probably see that the Windex did a pretty good job of removing most of the gel polish. On top of that, it removed most of the dust and debris, but I still have quite a bit of stuck on, gel polish, and I don't even know what else, probably some like food or something. So that's where my rubbing alcohol comes in. This kind of gets up any stuck on a gel polish, and it kind of cleans it up so it's looking brand new. So for any stubborn stains like this one, like it was just driving me nuts, I kind of just had to go in and just work at it a little bit harder than some of the other stains, but it's okay. All we need is just a little bit of elbow grease and we'll be fine. So I'm just going in and rubbing it thoroughly just to go ahead and make sure to get it all off. Also, I just want to mention, you don't want to use anything that is rough while doing this, just because you don't want to add any scratches or anything like that on your Alex drawer units, because that will just damage it and then it's not going to look good and you're just going to be sad, because that's how I feel when I scratch mine. I've tried cleaning this so many different ways, and this is the best way that I found. It comes out looking like brand new, and I'm so happy for it. So definitely take these tips. They go far. And you guys can kind of see here that it's really looking amazing now. And I'll also go and wipe the insides of my drawers too, just because the chairs rub up against it and sometimes they leave like a little bit of scuff marks and stuff like that. You guys can see that's what I'm trying to get off here. There was a scuff mark, and I just wanted to go in and take it off and make it look just brand new. And I'm really impressed with how this turned out. This is the other side of my Alex drawer unit. I'm going to go ahead and clean it the exact same way and show you guys what it looks like when I'm all done. Okay guys, so here is it all done. Now I'm gonna go on and tackle the surface of this desk. Thankfully, I went ahead and got a glass top for my desk. I definitely recommend this if you're going to be doing nails for yourself or even for clients. Being an at-home nail tech can get really messy, especially if you have a desktop that is not glass, guys. Let me not stress this. If you were to invest in one thing, like a big ticket item in your room, I would recommend you get a glass tabletop. And sometimes you can find these on like Facebook Marketplace or anything like that for really inexpensive, even like Kijiji or something, that you will be able to find them really inexpensive or even sometimes for free. So just try to work with your budget, but definitely get something like this. I'll try to find a hack for you guys on how to be able to make a glass tabletop for your nail room. I kind of DIY'd mine, so I hope you guys like it. Okay, so one thing I did was went ahead and sprayed the surface of my table with my rubbing alcohol, and then I'm just taking this tool. I got it at the dollar store and it's like a razor or something, and I'm just going ahead and just scraping up every single piece of stuck on acrylic or gel polish or builder gel or whatever's on this desk. I'm just gonna go ahead and use that and just scrape it up. The rubbing alcohol is kind of breaking down the product, and then this is just scraping up whatever's really stuck on and just gunky and nasty. So I find this so satisfying, guys. Let me know in the comment section if it's just me or is it just me? I don't know. Anyhow, I'll take this time to talk about the giveaways a little bit more. So as you guys know, I'm doing the 12 Days of Christmas giveaway series on my channel, and it's a mystery giveaway. So I find that really, really fun, and it's so interesting, and you guys are seeming to love it as well. And I definitely want to do more things like this on my channel. Christmas Day, I'm going to be doing a massive giveaway. So the prize is gonna be crazy. You're gonna want to enter that day specifically. I mean, all the other prizes are amazing. I'm teaming up with some amazing vendors, so I mean, they're all going to be great, but especially the one for Christmas Day, that is going to be something that I'm so happy to bring to you guys. And I think that it's something that's going to help a lot of you guys out. I know during these times it can be so hard and discouraging, but I definitely want to give you guys something you're going to love and enjoy and have for many, 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 hopefully many years to come. Okay guys, so I just went ahead and cleaned off the top of the table with some more alcohol, and that was all. And now I'm going on, I removed the glass, and I'm just going to wipe the underneath of the surface of my table because that gets really dusty and messy too. So I'm just going to dust it down and go ahead and put my glass top back on. Okay, so earlier I went ahead and took everything off my desk. Now I need to put it back on. So I got this, I forget what it's called, Lazy Susan or something like that, I think so. And I'm just going to go ahead and put that right down on the side of my table. And then I also got these little toothbrush holders. They're from Walmart. I hauled these a little while back, so go ahead and check that video out. But I love these. I just think that they're so pretty and nice, and even though they're for toothbrushes, it's okay. I don't mind. Then I also got these soap dispensers. I'm not using them for soap though. I have hand sanitizer in this one, which I find it's so cute. I love the gold accents on it because I don't know, I just like gold. It's just my preference. And then after, I also got a second one, and this one has lotion in it. So it has hand lotion so that when I'm done doing my nails, I can moisturize and all that good stuff. And then I also just keep this little tassel on there, and that is so I know what brand of lotion it is. So when I want to refill or whatever, I'm not mixing things like the smells and stuff like that, because I don't like that. I feel like that's kind of odd. Sometimes some smells don't go so well together, and you can get unscented too, but that's okay. I just did it like this, and I thought it was really cute on there as well. I also had a second toothbrush holder, so I just went ahead and cleaned that up as well, and went ahead and put that on the little turning tray. Just wanted to quickly mention that I'm also just wiping all of these down with some rubbing alcohol and shining them up and disinfecting them, doing all of that good stuff, just to make sure that they're ready for use for the next time. I actually disinfect these quite often, so just wanted to put that out there. Okay, so now this item was also another soap dispenser, and I just went ahead and took the lid off, and I grabbed one of the lids from an old rubbing alcohol bottle, and it just happened to fit perfectly, and I was quite happy with this. I really like this bottle, and I put some rubbing alcohol in here as well, so I can just have it on hand on my desk, and I just thought the bottle was just so beautiful that I just wanted it here on my desk just to look at. It's pretty. I like it. I hope you guys like it too. Okay, so now I have my brushes, and I'm just gonna sort them and put them right back into the toothbrush holders. So instead of a toothbrush holder, I'm using it as my brush holder and also a pen holder. So I'm just putting my Sharpies. I use these to write on my swatch sticks or whatever, and then I also just put some chapstick or lip gloss just to, you know, keep moisturizing my lips. It's winter and they can get pretty dry. And then I also have my Melody Susie efile, and I picked this up at Winners the other day, and I thought it was so beautiful for monomer and to use in my videos, so you'll definitely be seeing that coming up soon. And then I just went ahead and put my calendar on my desk because I wanted to write some stuff down, but then I realized, hey, my other side of the table looked so plain. Let me kind of spruce it up a little bit, and I just went ahead and grabbed this candle holder. I don't have a candle for it yet, so I'm gonna have to go pick one up, but that's okay. And I grabbed this cute little nutcracker as well as also this really nice picture. I just got this picture frame from my local dollar store, and I printed out an image that I found off of Google and just put it in the frame, and it looks super cute. I love it so very much, and I'm so happy with my desk now. I also just put my gel lamp on my desk so that it's ready to go if I'm ever using it, or if I ever have somebody else in here that I need to use it for. And this is from the other view, the other perspective of the opposite side of the table. I thought it turned out so beautiful. Look at that little flower arrangement. I thought it was so cute. It's such a nice addition, and my room just feels so nice and clean now, and I'm so happy. I'm definitely going to be doing a room tour for you guys, so definitely comment down below if you want to see everything in my room and kind of what it looks like and how I have my storage systems set up and everything like that. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this video. I love you all so very much. Bye now.